Mba. Drink and enjoy.
What will be? Barman! Sir! One more bottle.
No, Akokali, I'm okay. We've taken 2 bottles already now.
Cool down.
It's not cool down. Me, I'm okay. Except you want to drink. I'm very fine.
Don't worry. One for the road.
I don't know if I'm okay. Come, are you okay? They are telling you you're still bringing. It's for you. Me, I'm okay.
Thank you.
I'm okay. I didn't make I'm not joking. You can
Yeah, I know what's up. Listen, I know you had problem with your foreign partners. And then, I mean, you shouldn't let that weigh you down. Eh? You are still the same Amos International PLC.
Oh, that one has come and gone. I'm very much okay. Just that I'm not in the mood to.
Thank God at least you have enough landed properties. I mean, that one is enough assets for you. So you're still a millionaire.
The thing is that what I'm thinking is not what you're thinking. Because you don't have a problem, obviously. You just bought yourself a Lexus 460. Why me? I'm still driving my old Honda Accord for how many years now? Yeah, nothing is bothering you.
My brother, leave all those ones. So you see all those cars, they're all liabilities.
No, don't worry.
You have, a plot of land. Do you know what it is? A plot of land is enough assets. On a very good day, they'll keep appreciating. But cars, after 5 years, they start depreciating. You're still a millionaire. Cool down. So drink.
No, see, I don't want. You see, today, before I came out, I promised my wife that she will not complain of anything. I promised her that today, once I come back, I must eat her food. So I don't want to drink all this things now and occupy where food will enter. No, I'm very okay.
Forget it, man. Listen, all you need to do is just drink and remain small. Bam.
I could call you again in Abasimu Mayaba.
You must drink, oh.
Yeah. Oh,
you must drink.
I was coming to get the door.
How are you?
I'm fine. So I prepared you a very nice dinner. Very, very nice. Okay. Don't tell me you're not going to have it because I already see your tummy is protruding. Huh?
There's nothing in this tummy, don't mind it. Where's my food?
Alright, so you just go into the bathroom, have your bath, and then come back to eat. Let's go.
We move.
Alright.
We move.
Wow. So tell me what you think.
Salasur. And Poundo.
You like?
What I like, baby.
Okay, so I made this personally for you. I mean, I took out time to make this delicious meal. On the contrary, is something wrong?
No, I'm just saying you should wash your hand and join me immediately.
I waited for you to come back. You did not, so I had dinner already. You see this tummy? Nothing is going into it tonight. You know I'm watching my weight. So just go ahead and enjoy your meal and come into the other room to enjoy the other meal.
Okay, baby.
Alright.
Bye.
Enjoy your meal.
See you.
I'm waiting.
Okoli, I beg you. Don't eat that food.
Why? What's going on?
So, are you done?
Oh, no, my love, just come and join me. Let's eat together.
You haven't started eating. What happened?
I was waiting for you. You know I love it when we eat together.
You were waiting for me.
Of course, baby.
Honey, I already told you that I'm filled up. I already had dinner. Why were you waiting for me?
My love, why not take a bite? Okay, eat the fish. Just this.
Amos, this is annoying. It is really annoying and you know it. I take up my time and energy to prepare food for you. And then you come back and joke with it. You go out there, have drinks and food with your friends to your satisfaction and turn my food to your playing object. What is the meaning of that? You know what? In fact, if you don't want to eat, it's fine. I'm just going to take my food back to you.
Okay. I will eat. It's okay.
Were you just trying to get me upset? Because it's not funny. So be quick, wash your hands, and then join me in bed. Okay?
Alright.
Enjoy your meal, my darling.
Okay, my love.
Okambo, I beg you, don't eat this food. Can you talk to me? Who cannot eat this food? You liked it?
Of course.
Oh,
I love it.
You're welcome. I'm glad you liked the food. I'll quickly go to the kitchen to do something.
Why are you sweating though?
Am I?
Yeah.
I'm fine. I'll turn off the lights in the kitchen.
Okay.
Madam, take these plates to the kitchen and wash them properly.
Excuse me, sir. Sir, it's almost 12 midnight, and you know we'll not allow our guests to sleep over here, sir. Yes, sir.
I could go 12.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Right. Call me the receptionist so that let me see if we will still have room, so that I will just pay for room and go and sleep.
No room, sir. The last customer that left had a plan of them sleeping over, but our rooms are occupied. They left your door attires. No room, sir. Sorry, sir.
Rebecca, go around. Where are you going to sleep?
I have my room, sir. Yes, sir.
How much is my money?
It's 15,000, sir. Yes, sir.
You sure?
Yes, sir.
I know you're not trying to dupe me. Me. Anytime I drink, my eyes is very sharp. It's not 15,000.
15,000, sir. 5,000. 3 bottles. 5,000. Yes, sir.
3, 4, 5. You'll be taking it one after the other.
Yes, sir. 5,000 each bottle.
Because I don't trust you. This is your jail. Hello? How are you?
I'm fine, sir.
What's your name?
My name is Fresh.
So, your name is Presh, eh?
Yes, sir.
Are you somehow related to Presh, the musician?
No, sir. Just Fresh. Thank you, sir.
It's like you're here to see somebody.
Yes, he's waiting for me in his room.
He's waiting already.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Diego. It's all right. Okay, I will give you my card. Once you're less busy, you will go to my church there.
Yes, sir. But in case I fail to call, you can also come in.
It's all right.
This is my own card.
You have card too?
Yes, sir.
This very big one. You went and printed the big one. It's like you like big things.
Something like that. Can I get that, sir?
Yeah, you have a fine bow leg.
Thank you, sir. Let me take that for a compliment.
It's all right, take it.
Thank you,
Take
sir.
it out. You know these girls with bull leg. Papa dog ever. To go is not today. Why are you looking? Do you have bull leg too? You want to see your own will be extra bull leg.
Where are you coming from by this time of the night?
Ojuwadole, question. My friend, go inside and get me food and let me eat. I'm hungry.
Which food? Thank
you.
A married man, father of 4. You should be ashamed of yourself. You're coming back to your house at past midnight, drunk. Where else would you be if not with someone showogi somewhere? Akokalia, life has no duplicates. I have told you, always be security conscious. Why coming back by this time of the night? I have told you, Akokalia, life has no duplicates. Always be security conscious.
Okoli, are you done speaking grammar? If you're done speaking grammar, you go and get me food. Let me eat.
Eziokwu.
No fact, audio. Make audio. Tears a ban there. I don't need the anuketa.
Ezenu ndo osimnyani. Fresh. You go fresh. Akokalia. Your food is ready.
I'm ready.
Who is Presh? Onye who Presh?
Ricardo.
Ma Preshio, ma diva. If you like, buru moi 10, akabo. My own is always use a condom. Make sure you always use a condom. Maka, uko come na this house, Akokalia. Uko come na this house. You will see what I will do to you. Your food is ready.
You not say the main thing. Food is ready. Hey! About your dollar.
You just woke me up and you said I scared you. Wow. Night.
Fine. Very fine.
Okay, so you see, actually been thinking lately, especially since yesterday night. We haven't really been eating together. That is all my fault. You know, sometimes I come back late and sometimes I just go to bed like that. So yesterday, since you said you weren't hungry, I thought of it. You know, I said, well, this food I have to eat it with my lovely wife. Okay, so I put it in the freezer. Okay, you know, family that eats together stays together, or rather lives forever. So my wife, would you please microwave this food so we can eat together? Yeah, we have to eat together. I've missed we eating together.
I really don't
You like cold food? That's why I want you to microwave it so we can eat together.
Okay.
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 You don't have any problem with that, do you?
Oh, no, not at all. I'll just take it to the kitchen.
Our in-law, your call was urgent and intense. What is the problem?
And my in-law, you don't seem happy.
You're welcome. Imanandaba is na agwo ofu onye folo n'ụzọ na ahọle eke.
Maneziokwu.
Thank you. You see, I called the both of you here to see what my eyes is seeing in my own house. Makana okwero mi ife mkpukọtanwu. I don't seem to understand what is going on.
What is it?
Ifeoma.
Good morning. Good morning, brother.
Good morning. Good morning. I hope you're doing well.
Yes, uncle. I'm fine.
And the children in the boarding house, hope you are hearing from them.
I talked to them on phone. They're fine.
And they are doing well as well.
Yes, uncle.
Ifeoma, have a seat. My in-law, I called the both of you here to help me ask your daughter why she wouldn't eat from the same food she dished out for me to eat.
Chelu. My in-law, I don't seem to understand what you're saying.
Okay. This food flask here contains the food your daughter served me yesterday night. I urged her to eat with me as my wife, but instead she told me that she had eaten to her satisfaction. I thought of it and said, it's never a bad idea for me to eat with my wife. So what did I do? I took the food to the kitchen and stored it in the refrigerator. This morning, I brought the food out and I called my wife right here. I told her, my love, it's been a while we ate together. Family that eats together, stays together, lives forever. Why not you microwave this food so we can eat together? I've missed eating with my wife. So reluctantly, she took the food to the kitchen. Now, I went to the kitchen and I caught your daughter trying to dispose the food. That action was quite suspicious to me. That was why I invited you people. So please, in front of everybody here, I want her to eat from this food here, in the presence of everyone here.
Ifeoma, what is going on? What is the problem?
Ndodi, chelu. Ifeoma, Come and eat out of it.
Uncle, I don't want to eat.
You don't want to eat. You don't want to eat the food you prepared. Okay, fine. Ini! Ini!
Good morning, sir.
In the presence of everyone, tell me why you said I shouldn't eat from this food yesterday night.
Sai. Okamengboro. Okay, if you don't call my name, put.
Hey, Ini, listen. This is a very, very serious issue. And if you know what is good for you, you have to say the truth. I'm here for you. No one is going to harm you. Okay? So talk. Why did you say I shouldn't eat this food yesterday night?
Okay. Sas. To God. I don't know. But yesterday night, as I said, make I enter kitchen. So, I make I tell my Okase make him no eat the food. Because I don't know what thing that white thing be. But my spirit tell me say if he be saying a poison.
Chimo. Hey! Hey! I can't believe this. Ifeoma. What she just said now, is it true?
Yes. My husband. Please. Please, I'm sorry. I swear to God, I am so sorry. You know I wouldn't want to kill you intentionally. I am not a murderer and you know it. Please, I was misled.
Who misled you? Eh? After the whole good things our in-law here has done for us. So, all you wish him is death. Onya?
No, I I wouldn't want to do that to him. I was misled by Acharugo.
Baby. What is happening? What's going on? Yeah. Hey, what? What? Is this the new car you are using? This one. This is just one of my cars. Hey! This is the smallest.
Hey! What is it? Don't tell us to leave this country for you. Let's just pack our load and leave. Wait.
If you want to go, you go. What happened? What happened? My gura. It stops me at every junction I get to. I was going for CWO meeting and the gura decided to stop here. As you can see, I'm also going for the meeting. Nebiko, let me join you. My mechanic is coming to the parish to collect the key. But you don't have a choice now. Do you have a choice right now? Hey! So Mabayecha says, sir. Hi, ne? Close my bonnet. Please be careful with the bonnet, eh? Baby! Easy with your car. Close that rickety car, eh? Let me take you on a tour. Come, baby. Let me take you on a tour. Take it easy, oh. Take it easy.
In this one, I can even throw the car away.
Oh my goodness.
Were you able to fix it?
No. This car showed me way today. It was stopping at every junction I got.
Well, I told you to leave it now until I fix it.
This car is unfixable. Just sell it to all these people that parts.
I will have to be managing till God blesses her with another one.
No,
don't jam it. If you jam it with force, it will not start again.
Yeah.
Just quietly jam it. It has sensor. When you rugby,
it will sensor. It's nonsense. The car is not good.
They don't die yet.
Jam it too slow. It's nonsense. Somebody wants to speak with you.
Who?
Just take the phone.
Who is that? Or same take the phone.
It's Acharugo. Your late friend's wife. Oh, None's wife.
Oh. Yeah, hello? Yeah, good evening there. We're fine. Thank God. What? Wait, come again. What did you say? Emokai? My friend, don't say that again. Are you normal? That's not possible. Are you out of your mind? Are you mad? Wait, she told you to bring the phone to me to convince me to allow you go for all-night party. A married woman like you. Married woman with 2 kids. All-night party.
No, it's just women at the party.
Are you mad? Can you even listen to yourself? So the party cannot hold at daytime, Abi?
My love, my friend...
Stop on my side also.
Just go.
Imagine the nonsense. I should allow you go for all-night party. Are you mad? That Shalugo was very stupid. Hey, please allow her to go. Is that Shalugo, anywhere you are, thunder will fire you. That Shalugo must be very mad. Can you imagine? Yeah, I should allow her. It's just an all-night party.
My husband refused me to come. Don't sound like that, Acharugo. You don't know my husband. Once he says no, it's no. I can't do anything about it. You know what? Just go ahead and have fun, okay? All right, good night. Nebiko gist me. How was the party?
It was fun. You missed.
I know I missed. My husband is too stubborn. I'm tired.
That's your choice to make. Keep living your choice.
Calm down. Take it easy. My husband is a good man. I'm telling you, I have never for once regretted ever marrying that man. If not for the fact that business got bad. You see this large you are living, we will be living it together.
Yeah, you're not living large because you've not made your choice. You've not made your choice.
Wait, you need to explain this your theory. Because it's still confusing me. How do you mean? How do you mean I haven't made my choice? My sister who don't like better thing.
So you like better thing? Let me tell you. Until you are ready to liberate yourself from the bondage of poverty and slavery, then I'll know you are ready.
How am I supposed to liberate myself? I don't know.
Do you really want to know?
Of course, Nne, I want to know.
That is a topic for another day's discussion.
Yeah.
Meanwhile, there's a sequence dress that I know.
Nne, because I have to go do sequence dress. Where am I go?
Every time you don't have money.
Yes, my husband does not have money. I don't have money. I go do sequence.
Until you are ready to liberate yourself from the bondage of poverty and slavery, then I'll know you are ready.
Do you really think I chose to be the way I am?
Yes.
Why did you come to such hasty conclusion?
You have beautiful eyes and you can see. You have brains and you can sense very well. But you chose not to act so you can belong.
I'm sorry, but you're confusing me the more.
Are you aware that your husband and my late husband were in the same club before he died?
Igwezu Club, right?
Exactly.
What has that got to do with what we're discussing now?
Everything. Everything.
Everything.
Yes.
How?
When a man is successful in business, have you imagined if a woman does that same business, she becomes 10 times successful? Do you know why? Because of the power of a woman. It's an added advantage.
Is that even 100% true?
You know Iron Lady? Iron Lady became very rich immediately her husband died. London baby. Her husband had one fuel station. Look at her today. She has a lot of fuel stations around town. In fact, West Africa. Now let's talk about the recent one that you know. Ife Dollar. She is 10 times richer than her husband just 1 year after her husband's death. Just because he was the member of the Igwezu Club.
Yes, I know that is true.
Haven't you heard that the club gives any widow that the member dies 25 million? I have to turn for you to understand. 25 million naira. Nne, think about it. 25 million naira. Aye! Imagine what you can do that in business. 25 million.
You're sounding like my husband is going to die tomorrow. The man is not even sick, so what are we talking about?
The choice is yours to make. If you want to remain in this present condition, or if you want to move to the next level, the choice is yours to make. Remember, 25 million is a lot. A whole lot.
Where are you coming from?
I just went out to see my...
Must you take the car to anywhere you want to go? Must you?
Amos, why are you shouting? I said I went to see...
What do you mean, what am I shouting? You drove the only car in this compound and switched your phone off. I meant to go to somewhere since morning. When your phone, I'm telling you, you're asking me questions. Why would you go out with the car?
I'm sorry, I didn't know my phone was turned off. Oh, Pastor, why are you shouting because I went out with the car?
Please keep it go. That's not the only way to do what?
Amos, is that why you are shouting?
Amos what?
Is that why you are shouting? What is wrong with a wife driving out in her husband's car? Your mates are out there buying good cars for their wife. You know about
Okumai da wogidie. Okumai da wogidie. How many did your father buy for your mother?
Don't bring my family.
If not because of me, won't you still be in that slump where I took you out from?
Don't bring my family into this. I beg you. I've given you your king. One, go.
Not nonsense. I'm not on your phone here. I'm meant to be somewhere since morning.
Lele moto hajin abam. I need you to tell me who that woman is.
I don't know what you're talking about.
That is a lie. A big lie from the pits of hell, and you know it. What is wrong with you? You come back to this house late every night, say some shit about a random woman out there, come on this bed, you don't even touch me, your wife. Do you know the last time you touched me? You snore on this bed like a bloated cow and deprive me of my sleep, and you tell me you don't know what I'm talking about. I want to know who that woman is. Who is trying to take my husband away from me? I'm waiting.
Don't make me do something I'll regret tomorrow.
Oh, that is the only thing you know. That is the only thing you know to hit me. Go ahead, hit me. Hit me, I'm talking to you, just hit me. This is exactly what I want you to do to me. Hit me. I am sick and tired of all this. Just go ahead and hit me.